I'm going to show you how to earn money with AI images, and you can do this for completely free. More importantly, I'm going to show you how to do this in a few simple steps, and even more important than that, I'm going to give you a full game plan, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this and how you can make money. Now, this is a brand new method to my channel. I've never mentioned this method before, so make sure you stay all the way to the end so you know exactly what you need to do and that you can get on this before anybody else. Let's get started. All right, guys, so the first thing you want to do, and I've already done this, is you want to go in and you want to put restaurants by me or restaurants near me or restaurants in my area. And what we want to do is we want to find restaurants. Now, there's a few criterias we want to look at, okay? First of all, just go through and have a look. You don't really need to worry about like any of these pictures because a lot of these pictures are going to be from people who are doing reviews and things like that, right? So this one is more like a lodge rather than a restaurant. This one's a hotel as well. Probably, yeah, so they've got some nice food, but I'm pretty sure most of this could be, no, so that's not from reviews. So that's actually from them posting it. Let's have a look here. Yep, so they actually post their own food as well. So you just want to see kind of the images that they're posting. And some of these are actually not too bad, to be honest, but some of them are not. Like this one's pretty average as well. This one's all right here, but this one's actually posted from a person from a review, and this one probably is as well. Okay, so you just got to be careful of that. But what I would recommend you do is you take a specific restaurant name, like for example, I went with this one, I think, and you want to put it into Google, and you want to put it in there and put an Instagram. Now, I don't live in this town, by the way. I'm at a friend's house, so don't be trying to find me. Instagram. Instagram. Now, I'm not actually sure why it's not showing up here, but these guys do have an Instagram. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find their Instagram and you want to look at some of their photos. Now, this is a great example. And the reason why this is a great example is because a lot of their photos are not great. What I mean by not great is they're not high quality. They don't look very professional, etc. So like if you look at this one right here, this one's a little bit blurry. There's not really much to it, okay? If you look at this one here, this one's actually quite a lot better. If we look at this one here, this one's quite nice, a bit of a depth of field going on here, some sort of blur, Gaussian blur or something. It looks quite nice. So now what we can do is we can make a media package. Let me explain to you what we're going to be doing here. This is using AI to go ahead and help these companies grow their social media and just get better images. I don't know if you realize, but when it comes to restaurants, you want to have the best images possible because people are coming to your restaurant to eat your food. So you want it to look really, really good. So what we want to do is you want to go to Google Gemini. First of all, you want to take a snapshot of one of these pictures. So take one of these pictures and simply just use a snapshot tool like I have right here and download the image, okay? Super easy to do. Now you can do this with Google Gemini, or you can do this with Nano Banana. I like to do this with Nano Banana. Then what you want to do is you want to upload the image that you just cropped or you just took a snapshot of. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this here. This is my prompt, and I'm going to put the prompt into Nano Banana. And I'm just saying enhance this image into a high-end restaurant quality photograph of the exact same dish. The final result should look like it was created by a Michelin star food photographer and be suitable for premium marketing materials. Now, it might take a few times to get it right, but you can also go to ChatGPT and you can say, give me 5 different variations of this prompt. And it's going to do that for you. So it'll give you 5 different variations, or 10 or 6 or whatever you want, different variations of that prompt. So you can go ahead and do different types of styles for that particular image. So you're going to have these different variations that you can use. So now let's go back to here. And this has come out really, really nice. Now, one thing I do want to tell you is you want to make sure it hasn't changed too much because we don't want to be misleading here. We want to make sure like these, like whatever these are, cheese balls or something. We go back here, you get 2 cheese balls there, the same kind of garnishes. We go here, this is kind of the same. We go here, this is the same. Go here, this is the same. All we want to do is enhance the images. We don't want it to be misleading, okay? Because otherwise it's not good. Now, it's not the same table. That's okay. You can actually redo it to have the same table. You want to try and have it as much as the same as this as possible, but just a much better lighting, much better quality. So I'm going to actually try. Um, I'm going to try another one, just to kind of like. Let's go refined here. Okay, I'm just going to try another one here. And what I would recommend you do is what you do is you go to the Instagram and you want to find 3 or 4 photos. The reason why is because we're going to need 3 or 4. Oh, I thought they actually had more than this. We're going to need 3 or 4 photos to do. Now let's just take this one as well. Even more, even maybe 10, even maybe 20 photos. So I'm going to let this do its thing, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to see what it's done. All right, guys, so I actually did a couple here. This one kind of came out the same as before, so I got a different one. This one came out a little bit better, and it's got a black background. You could say something like change the color table, the color of the table, change the table, etc., etc. So anyway, now what do? We need to go and make money with this. So how do you make money online? By using this specific method. Let me show you. What you want to do now is you want to go ahead and you want to download these images here, okay? So download, and then we'll do a download of this one, okay? So download those 2 images. And then what we want to do is we want to go over to Canva and go to Instagram post. Now, it doesn't really matter, like we just want a square. You can go back and you could do like Instagram story or something. We just want a square of some sort, right? And what we want to do is we want to drag our images on. So this is one of the ones that we did. So you probably want to make it actually a square, but that's all right. We'll just do it a non-square at the moment, and we'll just cut out the little tag down there. Go add page, and what I would recommend you do is actually drag this one below onto this page, and then up here you want to take the original image that you did and put this on here. Okay, this is the original image, and then you want to do another page, and you want to go ahead and go to downloads, and you want to put in the second image that you did. Is this the right one? Yep. Now, like I said, you need to get the right squares. Okay, that looks pretty good. And you want to do this for different types of foods. Like you want to do this for maybe 5. So pick like maybe 3 images from the Instagram. Do 3 to 5 different types of images. So you're going to have a PDF of like 20 or 30 images or something like that. And then we're going to actually go ahead and download this. So we go to here and then we go to download, and we just want to download this as a simple PDF. That's it. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make money with this. So what we have now, all right, it didn't actually download as a book. Usually it downloads as a book, but it's not that bad. So what we have is we have this image here, and then we have this image here, and then we have this image here. So these 2 are completely different to the original. And this is what we can do. So what we're now going to do is we're going to contact these restaurants. So this was the restaurant here. We're going to find their email. What you want to do is you want to find their email. Now, this is probably not the restaurant I was talking about, but you want to find their email. And then we can actually use ChatGPT. And I'm going to say this to ChatGPT. I want to give out a free package of images that I have taken from a restaurant's Instagram, and I've enhanced them. And then I want to pitch through email my free package, and then the fact that I can make more of these images for them for a price. So we're just going to see, what ChatGPT can do. Usually I do my own writing, but ChatGPT is usually pretty good. Hi, I've been following your restaurant on Instagram. Notice you have great dishes and presentations. I took the liberty of enhancing a selection of your existing images to show you could look like the high-end restaurant. I've attached a free image upgrade package, no cost, no catch. These are optimized for Instagram, Google listings, menus, etc. If you'd like these results, I can create a full suite of elevated premium quality images for your entire menu at a very affordable price. And then would you like, so that's it. All you do is you copy this, and there's a shorter version, and there's different versions. All you do is you copy these, and you contact these restaurants and give them the package. That's it. You do this to multiple restaurants. You don't even have to do it in your area. You can do it in restaurants around the world because it's all online. And then what you're going to do is you're going to charge to actually do more work for them. You're simply offering a AI service. You can even tell them that you're using AI, they probably won't mind. So you're just selling these AI images, AI packages to these people, but you must give away something for free first. Don't just say, hey, we'll do it for money. Give them something, give them a free package. If it works out for them, if it looks better, they're going to come back to you. And that's really it. That's really all you need to do with this. It's so simple. Find restaurants, find their Instagram, use AI to enhance their images. Go ahead and use ChatGPT to create a pitch, email those restaurants with a free package that you created with Canva. That's it. Super easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.